Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito po ang inyong lingkod si Dr. Arlie Macasiano Imperio. Let me introduce to you the name of the company, New You Life. New You Life. At briefly, pag-uusapan po natin ano yung kanyang, let's say, product overview. So, when you evaluate an opportunity, ang unang titingnan natin yung product. Pag okay yung product, ang pangalawang titingnan natin yung kumpanya. Pag okay yung product, okay ang kumpanya, ang pangatlo na titingnan natin ay yung timing ng opportunity. At ang pang-apat po, yun ang huli, the sales compensation plan. So, kagaya sa isang sasakyan, apat ang gulong, pag naplatan po mga kaibigan, titigil po tayo. Bakit? Bawat gulong ay equally important, ika nga. So, ano po yung apat na gulong? Right product, right company, right timing, right marketing plan or compensation plan. And we need a vehicle to bring us from where we are now to where we want to go. And not all vehicles are the same. The better the vehicle, the faster, di po ba? Halimbawa, kung dalawa lang yung gulong, edi bisikleta yon. Kung tatlo yung gulong, edi tricycle. Kung apat ang gulong, pwedeng jeep, sasakyan, kotse. Tama? And obviously, yung sasakyan na apat ang gulong is better than the tricycle or the bicycle. Kaya the better the vehicle, the more easy it is for us to reach our destination. So ano po yung apat mga kaibigan? Number 1, right product. Number 2, right company. Number 3, right timing. And number 4, right sales compensation plan. So ngayon, ang focus po natin mga kaibigan ay yung right product. Yan po yung aking role at bilang isang doktor, ang focus po is how the product Somaderm can be a part of our healthy lifestyle. All the others, mga kaibigan, bagamat pahapyaw, babanggitin po natin, you ask from the person who shared you this video, yung details about the company, details about the timing of the opportunity, and details about the sales compensation plan. Pero ngayon, ang focus natin yung produkto. So, ang pangalan po ng product po ay Somaderm, and it will answer the basic questions. For example, what is hormone health? Kasi po ang focus niya ay hormone health. Where does it come from? How is New You Life challenging aging? May idea na tayo. And how will New You Life future, let's say, product opportunities can help us change lives, starting our own life. So, pag-uusapan po natin yan, mga kaibigan. So, muna, ang focus po niya ay nasa aging process. Kasi may connection niya sa hormone. So, let's now focus a little bit on the challenge of aging. Are we beginning to feel the signs of aging? Are we slowing down? Is there evidence of loss of energy? How is aging affecting us? And is this our new normal? O baka meron po tayong pwedeng gawin? So, usually po mga kaibigan, after 30 years old, ay nakikita na natin yung parang sinasabing evidence of aging in our lives. So, there is number 1, weight gain. There is number 2, loss of energy. There is now poor sleep. There is decrease in libido. And there may be discomfort due to inflammation of the joints. And we may have all of them. Kasi po mga kaibigan, when we were born and as we grew up, the hormones of the body are very active to help us in our growth and development, specifically the human growth hormone. Kaya lang pagdating ng age 21, mukhang yung trabaho ng human growth hormone ay parang nagawa niya na lahat. Kaya nga, it is observed that starting at age 25, 30, lalo na pagdating na ng 40, nag-uumpisa na yung mga signs of aging. Like the key question today is, if you are 30 years old and above, can you take note that there is gaining of weight? Can you take note that there is loss of energy? Can you take note that there is now changes in the quality of our sleep? Can we take note that there is already decrease in libido? There is now discomfort in the joints, and we may have one, two, or three, or all of these, let's say, signs and symptoms. This is evidence that we are now getting older in life. So, ang tanong, bakit pala tayo tumatanda? What is the source of aging? Ang sagot po, usually, ang major hormone that helps us delay aging is the human growth hormone. At nabanggit natin kanina at age 25 and above, lalo na at age 40. It seems to go down. The table on the right is the, let's say, graphic presentation, yung decline ng ating human growth hormone as we get older in life. So notice at age 0, mataas siya, di ba? At age 10, ayan, no? Pero at age 20, it's going down. At age 30, ayan, no? At age 40, ayan, nag-uumpisa na. At age 50, yan, 60, 70, 80, it's going down. So, it could be the possible answer why we are aging. So, when there is a human growth lack or deficiency, there will be decreased exercise capacity. Mahalaga exercise sa kalusugan. There will be diminishing bone density. Ayan nga, humihina na tuhod. There is decrease in muscle mass. Kaya napansin po natin yung elderly, parang pumapayat. There is now muscular loss. Ang tawag niya sarcopenia. And then at the same time, there is increase in body fat. Mukhang hindi magandang kombinasyon yan. Kaya the answer is probably due to the decline of human growth hormone production. Kaya ito po yung ating suggested solution. Kasi usually po sa medisina, para to, let's say, deal with the problem, human growth hormone injections ang binibigay. Kailangan ng expertise yan ng isang manggagamot. Kailangan po ng manggagamot, kailangan i-inject yan sa ating katawan. That is one solution. Good news, meron ng Somaderm. And it is described as the world's only transdermal product to increase our own growth hormone. Yan ang medyo pag-uusapan natin. At ito po ay gawa sa Amerika, good manufacturing practice facility, at aside from the active ingredients, mga tatlo po yan, meron siya mga 10 botanical herbs, the non-active ingredients, that will support, let's say, the hormonal balancing of our body. And the idea is that it is uniquely introduced into our body through the skin. Kaya yung proprietary delivery method, transdermal application po, safe siya, effective, at convenient. So, ide-demo po yan sa inyo pagka when you deal with a person with Somaderm, meron siyang, let's say, ability to pump, airless pump. So, two full pumps, lalabas ang gel, ipahid lang po. 2 pumps in the morning, 2 pumps at night. So, absorption in the skin will take about a few seconds to a few minutes, sabihin na natin up to 15 minutes. And then when it enters the body, it will move in the circulation, moving towards the brain. Paikot-ikot kaya mga 4 hours. Kaya nga po, 2 times a day para 8 hours action. So, you apply it 5 days straight and then 2 days bakasyon. So, yung one Somaderm item or canister or bottle at 2 puffs 2 times a day will be good for 1 month supply. Ngunit sa iba, if they feel they need more, kasi meron pong medical challenge mga kaibigan, di doblehin lang po. So for intensive use, apply 4 full pumps in the morning and 4 full pumps in the evening. Tingnan lang po yung diagram. Yun yung mga areas na mukhang the skin is quite thin. Sa may kilikili, mga kaibigan, sa may braso, leading toward the palm, and then sa likod po ng tuhod, yan po yung general areas that can be used to introduce the delivery of the ingredient into our body. So, better than the injection, di po ba? Ngayon, how does it work? And does it really work? Actually, ang data nakuha ko, mga kaibigan, the product has been available for about 20 years. Kaya lang mga in the past 6 or 7 years, it was introduced to multi-level marketing. And in the past 6 or 7 years, mukhang sabi daw, 9 million bottles have already been sold. When Japan opened in about a year's time, 1 million. Japan pa lang yun. So, safe po siya kasi nga homeopathic or microdose yung kanyang ingredients. And then it will signal the body to produce its own growth hormone. Kaya very safe. At the same time, it will also increase the level of neurotransmitters in the brain. And that will start the growth hormone pathway. So ito po yung pathway. Ito lang usually pang doktor po to, pero just to give an idea, tingnan lang po natin na maraming organs involved. The main organ is the brain, kasi nandiyan po yung pituitary gland, the master gland of the body. It is at the center of the brain. So the pituitary gland will release the growth hormone, releasing hormone, and then it goes to the thyroid. It goes to, it will create the growth hormone that will go to the liver. And when it goes to the liver will synthesize it to create the messenger, the IGF-1, insulin growth factor 1. And then, pansinin po ninyo, it will now affect many distant organs. It will affect and support the heart. It will support the brain. It will support reproduction. It will support the muscle. It will support the bones. Di ba? Tingnan mo sa bandang kanan, it will support the ovary. It will support the testes, male. It will support the kidney. It will support the thymus gland. That will support, let's say, hematopoiesis related sa red blood cells, and then the immune function. And then it will go back to the brain. And then napansin nyo yung arrow will go back to the thyroid, the pituitary, then to the liver. And then ikot-ikot yan, mga kaibigan. So yan yung sinasabing pathway. And then yung nakikita nyo sa bandang kanan sa taas, yung somatostatin, that will help in the positive and the negative feedback. Meaning, i-regulate niya yung appropriate amount of the circulation of the hormones, especially the IGF-1, throughout the body. Kaya nga very natural po ang kanyang action. So ito po yung mga testimonies ng mga doktor, si Dr. Kevin Green, Dr. Medicine, and I quote, sinabi niya, "We need Somaderm because it's a homeopathic preparation that sends a hormone signal to release a very essential hormone that we have lost as we get older and that we so desperately need." Ano yun? That is the growth hormone, unquote. Ayan, doktor na nagsasalita. And then another medical doctor, si Dr. Leita Harris, I understand she is a gynecologist, OB-GYN, and she said, and I quote, "I love the fact that in the genius of Alexi," si Alexi Goldstein, yung formulator, founder at ng New You Life, the company, Alexi, he decided to include key ingredients in Somaderm like the velvet bean. Kasama po yan sa mga botanical ingredients. And sabi ni Dr. Leita Harris, clinical research have shown that this will support the increase of endogenous growth hormone. Pag sinabing endogenous, the body created it, right? Endogenous. But the trigger was exogenous. Yan po yung ingredients na nanggaling sa Somaderm. Okay, so Here are some doctors who are passionate on the use of Somaderm gel. Si Dr. Crispino Santos, nakikita niyo sa kanan, medyo tinakpan ng aking video. Siya po ay regenerative stem cell expert. Si Dr. Kevin Green, yung sa kaliwa, yung na-quote natin kanina. Si Dr. Cynthia Hall, sa nakikita niyo po sa taas. Siya po isa pang OB-GYN. And mga thousands of physicians who have, let's say, availed of Somaderm for personal use and would be happy to share it to their loved ones and friends. And then made doctor's endorsement, and then about 5,000 healthcare professionals like yung mga naturopathists, chiropractor, and others who are concerned with our health. They found Somaderm to be unique. And Somaderm is registered in the FDA as a transdermal gel, and it's available for use for everyone. So generally, it will help improve stamina, energy, increase energy. It will enhance deep sleep. Mahalaga ito mga kaibigan. Kasi it is when you and I sleep in a appropriate way that the body regenerates itself. Ang malungkot kulang sa tulog o kaya 8 hours din na tulog pero mababaw, abay paggising parang ibang pakiramdam. Kaya nga sabi nga kausapin mo na yung lasing, huwag lang yung taong kagigising na hindi nakatulog na maayos. Mainit ang ulo niyan. Ako po mga kaibigan, personally, I find deep sleep very invigorating, very supportive to my general well-being. Sa akin nga, ang feeling you are so energized after sleeping, we having quality sleep, yung nakakaroon ka mga kaibigan, yung sinasabing $1 million feeling, yun mga kaibigan. Kaya dyan na lang sa deep sleep, panalo na tayo. Kaya at the same time, since one of the major actions of the human growth hormone is lipolysis, meaning it will burn fat. So others would experience, let's say, a significant weight loss. Like si William, nakikita niyo yung picture, di ba? He lost 25 pounds in 9 months with the human growth hormone gel. It will help reduce body fat. So, subukan lang po. So, pwedeng mabawas-bawasan yung ating belbel. Okay, and then ito po bonus mga kaibigan. It will support increase sexual vitality or sensitivity because it's hormonal in nature. It will support hair growth to others. It will help in general reverse the effects of aging. Like si Eileen Miller, nakikita niyo po yung picture niya sa lower left. Akala ko anak niya yan Yung pala siya yun. Okay So, pwede makatulong mga kaibigan. And then, ito si Luisa, nakikita yung picture, di ba, ang ngawi. So, meron siyang, let's say, nerve, let's say, disability, nag-improve. So, nakikita niyo po, okay, yung kanyang mukha nag-improve. So, ito po, testimony ng 74-year-old, yung nanay ni Carlos. Panoorin po natin mga kaibigan. Nakakalakad na siya, paakyat sa hagdanan at na walang hawak-hawak after using Somaderm for about a week.
Okay, now my mom is gonna try to come down here. About a week ago, she couldn't even get off the car after Somaderm applications. And look, this is her second time she'll be coming down here. That amazing. No pain on her hip.
No pain.
Wow.
Wait, you just shared with me a
Si
amazing
Debbie,
personal testimony about your
registered
condition,
nurse sa Las
your
Vegas. Mataas yung
diabetes is
sugar niya.
way out of control
Nag-improve
before, right?
after
And to the point
taking,
where you're on
let's
the
say,
verge of like being
Somaderm.
hospitalized.
And then ito po si Flora. Okay? After 5 minutes of taking HGH gel, nag-improve yung kanyang lakad.
Nakakatawa.
Yan, no? Nakikita po natin, di ba?
Just kidding. Yan ate, nagpapatubo tapos hindi na.
So, ito naman si Susan, meron siyang neck and shoulder pain, nag-improve, okay, with Somaderm gel quickly.
Yeah,
So,
live
Suzanne,
TV.
can you share with us what you just experienced?
Well, I just experienced the most amazing thing for the last
Okay. So, yan po ang mga testimonies, no? So, to summarize mga kaibigan, we have only one flagship product, the only FDA-registered product for healthy lifestyle, a product that we must have, easy to incorporate in our daily activity, clinically proven ingredients, accurate dosing, maximum strength, homeopathic. And these are the health statements, so they are not evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, but these are some of the benefits that you might find useful. Just give it a try for 30 days to 90 days. So one may experience significant fat loss, may experience or enhance muscle mass, improve mood, energy, and memory, improve sleep, may speed up recovery time, may enhance libido and sexual performance, may improve healing, recovery, and flexibility, may alleviate, let's say, joint pain. And then it may help increase lean muscle mass, heighten libido, strengthen bone density, improve mood, balance the blood sugar level, may help reduce blood pressure to normal levels, may prevent depression by mood elevation. It's applicable for both men and women, and in general, meron siyang anti-aging benefits. So, yung usual way mga kaibigan, injection, di ba? The old way. So before, injections which are expensive, prescription is needed, no? Kailangan karayom, di ba? Needles. Yung pills naman is fast before and after. It may be less effective, poorly absorbed. Sprays may even be less effective. Ngayon, the new way, transdermal gel, it's affordable, no prescription required, no diet change, no lifestyle change, no bad taste, right? So yeah, we can start it immediately. Probably the only powerful and innovative transdermal gel that is available without prescription. So yan po, no? Ito po isang magandang libro sinulat ni Dr. Ronald Klass, isa pong medical doctor. He is not connected with the company, but his book showed the vital importance of the human growth hormone. So sabi niya, generally, apat, reverse the effects of aging, strengthen the immune system, improve sexual performance, lower blood pressure, and cholesterol. So, yan na yung opinion niya. So, pwede natin itry yan. So, if you have any medical condition, be sure you consult your doctor. By the way, Somaderm is listed in the Physician's Desk Reference or PDR sa Amerika. You can have it printed and show it to the doctor and ask the doctor how you can be guided in using Somaderm. God bless po mga kaibigan. Connect with the person who shared you this video and get more information on Somaderm. God bless until the next episode.